This will be a quick video on this little robot toy I've been working on. It's more about the mechanism in the toy. It's a drive forward and spin and reverse action thing. Turn it on. Forward, spin and reverse. Kind of fun to drive. I'm using one of the Coke can RC circuits and transmitters to operate it. It's a simpler version of this little guy I built, I don't know, a year or so ago, whenever it was. It operates on a remote control. Forward, stop, spin and reverse, stop. I think this actually works a little smoother. You can hear a ratcheting mechanism, but it's designed around working on there. But it's a little bit on the tough side to build, so I thought I came across this idea and I thought I'd try it. The way it works, there's a floating idler here. In the forward, it's driven down to drive this wheel, and in reverse, it drives this wheel through another gear, so you're changing the direction of this one. So in fact, even though the motor's running in reverse, this wheel will always run in the same direction. I'll put a little dot on there. So it's spinning counterclockwise, and in reverse it's spinning counterclockwise. On the other hand, this one over here, forward, reverse. So in effect, you've always got this one going the same direction, and this one's being reversed by the controller. That's what makes it spin in one direction and go forward in the other. This is a much simpler thing to build than the ratcheting mechanism on this one, which is just a little floating pinion. It does require a motor with two output shafts, like this TT motor has. It's a double shaft version. Shaft comes out both sides. The idler here, all it does is meshes between the wheel and this here, this gear. The idler over here is the one that does a reversing action. Forward, reverse, forward, reverse. Seems to work a little more jerky than the other thing I built. I'm not sure if that could be tuned out of it or not, but it works. This one, it's got the Coke can RC receiver and transmitter driving it. It's driven by 2 AA cells. I believe that this transmitter has a voltage booster in it. I've heard that from a couple different sources. I read the data sheet on it. It mentions it, but it's unclear about exactly how it works. I don't think the boosted voltage goes to the motor, though. I think the motor still runs on the battery voltage, which is good in this case, because I was running it on 4 AA's before, and it was just entirely too fast. So you wouldn't want to boost it up too much. And one time I did measure the output voltage at the motor on these, and it was the same as the battery voltage, even though it was 3 volts coming in, and it was still operating. I hope that's clear. Like I say, I've only seen one data sheet on this, and it's very iffy as to details. I'm not sure if I'm going to put this on Thingiverse or anywhere. It's more just a demonstration of a principle than anything. Although this is pretty simple to build. It's just got a few parts. It could also be driven off just a battery box, forward and reverse battery box. Well, I guess that's it for this video. I just wanted to show this. I thought it was interesting because it was much simpler than what I built this around. Well, thanks for watching.